my pleasure and honor to be able to have Sam Shah on, give a very quick, brief introduction around his extensive career here. Sam Shah has 2 decades of successful experience in strategic alliances, partnerships, and business development in cloud computing, SaaS business, healthcare informatics, and tech startups. Curated and implemented partnerships and alliances, go-to-market strategies, SaaS, product pricing, customer success planning, marketplace launch, and ecosystem building, all the while working at Samsung Digital Health, Microsoft AMC, also known as Azure Cloud, Philips Healthcare, Beekeeper AI, which is a private computing healthcare AI platform, and SaaS business. So with that illustrious long list of experience, Sam, welcome to the program. It's wonderful to have you with us today. It's great to be able to talk to you around about the great work that you're doing at Samsung. And if you could just sort of open up around talking about the robust partner ecosystem in driving innovation from where you're seeing it right now, and how important that is, especially in the context of, where Samsung is concerned in terms of wearables and healthcare technology.
In healthcare, no single vendor can cover everything. It's a very fragmented market, and making the partner equation essential for achieving connected care synergy. A stronger partner ecosystem plays a crucial role in fostering innovation within the domain of wearables and healthcare technology. This involves partners leveraging their AI algorithms, platforms, and other capabilities to enhance collaborative advancements in the field. So the partner ecosystem enables collaboration, accelerates development, ensures interoperability, provides access to resources, and the market expands the market reach, and also fosters an innovation-friendly environment and the speed, and also assist in regulatory compliance, all of which contribute to the success and impact of wearable technologies in healthcare.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, no, I think several different points you mentioned that are so crucial to making sure that that really does drive that partner ecosystem. Talking about sort of driving the ecosystem, talk about the challenges that you sort of foresee that may be coming up in the widespread adoption of wearables, both on the consumer side as well as the healthcare domains.
Trust is key. As more people adopt connected wearables for health and wellness. So we see a transition from fitness to now health and wellness for the wearables adoption. The consumer wearable makers should work to build trust by defending the privacy and security of health data, and by ensuring that users and clinicians can trust the accuracy of that data. So that is a very critical piece here. There's a widespread adoption of wearables which faces challenges related to privacy concerns, compliance, data security, interoperability, and regulatory hurdles. So that is impacting both consumer and healthcare domains. The clinicians may dismiss the wearable data. So to overcome clinicians' skepticisms towards wearable data, trust in its reality and relevance is very crucial. Key strategies, include addressing accuracy, concerning through advanced sensor technologies, ensuring interoperability with the healthcare systems such as giants like EMRs and EHRs, conducting rigorous clinical validation studies, and establishing the industry-wide standards, and also promoting the patient engagement, which is very crucial. There should be an adoption by the patient population with the wearables, and these efforts aim to build trust and foster collaboration between patients, wearables, and the healthcare professionals.
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, wearables are certainly giving the power sort of back to the consumers or the patients in terms of taking more control over their own healthcare journeys and such. And of course, everybody is familiar with the wearables that, of course, Samsung is developing and producing. And myself, I've got, I'm wearing a wearable myself to sort of keep track of my own health and things. But can you talk about a bit more around the journey of wearables data from its collection in fitness devices to the application in healthcare and also the pharmaceutical context as well, which I don't think we often hear about.
Yeah, no, absolutely. So wearables data typically started with fitness and now is transitioning to wellness, collecting the user information. So
Hmm.
this data journey involves aggregation, anonymization, and then application in healthcare and pharmaceutical contexts for personalized insights, research, and treatment advancements. Uh, so if you look at it, there was a desktop came, then the laptop came, and then mobile phone came. And now we see a transition to wearables adoption, patient health monitoring, disease diagnosis, and predicting and enhancing patient outcomes. Wearable sensors offer a promising solution by detecting and quantifying specific movements, providing valuable data for long-term ambulatory movement and assessment. So for pharmaceuticals, wearable technology is helping scientists better understand patients and diseases. Use of wrist-worn wearables in clinical trials. As an example, a study involving wearables revolves around atopic dermatitis to track measurements of when participants, including children, scratch at night and how they sleep.
Hmm.
Other common smartwatch use cases are vital signs and activity sleep monitoring. So those are with the adoption and transition into digital medicine, there is going to be a growth also with the adoption of wearable technologies in pharmaceutical and drug discovery.
Hmm. No, that's fascinating. I'd like to talk a little bit. I'd like to hear you talk a little bit about the actual data itself that's being collected and how you see the role of the raw sensor data that is being collected, like from Samsung's Galaxy Watch, of course, and how that's evolving and shaping these personalized healthcare solutions and journeys.
So Samsung wearables, especially the watch, provides the raw sensor data uh, to the partners. Like that from Samsung Galaxy Watch, it plays a very pivotal role in shaping personalized healthcare solution. So as we see a shift, towards personalized and more precision medicine and treatment, uh, uh, the personalized healthcare solutions are playing a very important role by enabling more health monitoring and early detection of conditions. So we have seen many cases. We have heard the news about the FA backing on its wearable. There was also a recent announcement of the Ring product
Yeah.
we get the Samsung Unpacked. So Samsung is leading connected and sustainable healthcare, integrated and comprehensive solutions. And Samsung Health is now at the forefront of connected, virtual, remote healthcare for those interested in digital health innovation initiatives. Also, our innovative technology such as Privilege SDK, Health Stack, and tech ecosystem is positioned to empower the digital health landscape, providing partners and investors with unique opportunities.
No, that's wonderful. I think we lost you for a little second there, Sam, but I think you came back to finish it off. But just so that we don't lose you again very quickly, just the last 60 seconds, could you just quickly talk a little bit about the life cycle of wearables right now in terms of, of course, product management and business processes, which you're very familiar with, and how companies, like Samsung can ensure the continuous improvement and relevance around, especially how the market is evolving right now.
The product management life cycle of wearables involves, from ideation to launch, followed by the updates. So if you see a transition from Watch 3, 4, 5, and recently the 6, and enhancement, security is also very important, and eventual iterations. So continuous improvement and relevance demand a responsive approach and incorporating voice of the customer, user feedback, embracing technological advancements and staying attuned to evolving market trends. So wearables showed an increasing diverse field of application, such as COVID-19 prediction, fertility tracking, heat-related illness, the drug effects is like a pre and post, and psychological interventions. And some studies have indicated that the big data extracted from variables may potentially transform the understanding of population health dynamics and the ability to forecast the health trends. So smart wearable sensors are effective and reliable for preventive methods in many different facets of medicine, such as cardiopulmonary, vascular, endocrine, neurological function, and rehab medicine. So these sensors have also been shown to be accurate and useful for peri-operative monitoring and rehab medicine.
No, that's wonderful. Sam, thanks so much for coming on and sharing your insights with us. It's really been wonderful speaking with you and hearing more about wearables and the collection of data and where that's sort of going in the future and things. And we'd love to have you back on the program at some point.